Ever wondered who's keeping an eye on TD Bank here in the United States? It's a fair question, right? When you entrust your hard-earned money to a financial institution, you naturally want to know there are safeguards in place, that someone is making sure things are on the up and up. Think about it. Banks play a vital role in our economy. They hold our savings, facilitate transactions, and provide loans that fuel everything from buying a home to starting a business. So, who ensures these institutions operate safely and fairly? Well, the answer isn't just one single entity, it's a layered system involving several key players. This might sound a little complex, but stick with me, and we'll break it down. At the top level, you have federal regulatory bodies. One of the most significant is the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC. The OCC is an independent bureau within the U.S. Department of the Treasury, and it's the primary regulator for all national banks and federal savings associations. Since TD Bank USA, N.A. operates as a national bank, it falls under the OCC's watchful eye. The OCC's job is to ensure that these banks operate in a safe and sound manner, comply with federal laws and regulations, and treat their customers fairly. They do this through things like on-site examinations, setting capital requirements, and enforcing regulations. 1. FasterCapital.com. FasterCapital.com. But the OCC isn't the only regulator involved. Because TD Bank also takes deposits, it's insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC. The FDIC's primary role is to protect depositors in the event of a bank failure. They guarantee deposits up to a certain amount per depositor, per insured bank. To maintain this insurance, TD Bank must adhere to the FDIC's rules and regulations, which often overlap with and complement those of the OCC. The FDIC also plays a crucial role in supervising and examining insured banks to ensure their safety and soundness. Now, let's consider another important aspect: consumer protection. Several agencies work to ensure that banks, including TD Bank, are treating their customers fairly and complying with consumer protection laws. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, is a big one here. The CFPB has broad authority to regulate financial products and services, including those offered by banks. They focus on preventing unfair, deceptive, or abusive practices and ensuring that consumers have the information they need to make informed financial decisions. Beyond federal regulators, there can also be state-level oversight, although the primary regulator for a national bank like TD Bank USA is the federal government. State agencies might have some jurisdiction, particularly concerning activities that occur within their borders. So, to recap, the main regulators for TD Bank in the U.S. are the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, OCC, which is the primary federal regulator for national banks, and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, which insures deposits and also supervises banks. Additionally, the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, plays a critical role in ensuring consumer protection. This multi-layered regulatory framework is designed to promote a stable and trustworthy banking system, protecting both the financial institution and, most importantly, you, the consumer. It might seem like a lot of bureaucracy, but it's all in place to ensure your money is safe and that you're treated fairly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.